Hi! Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a mistletoe. Let's start off by drawing a circle for a berry. Then, add a second berry just to the right. And one more down below. For the leaves, start with a line that curves out to a point. And continue the line, sweeping out to the point like so, going all the way out here, then turning back to the berries like this. Then, add a thin line going down the pointy leaf. Do that again on the left side. The pointy leaf shape going out, back to the berries, and the thin line going down the middle. Then do it one more time underneath. Pointy leaves going out, back in, and a thin line. Lastly, draw a small oval and a circle in the upper right of each of the berries to show that it's shiny. And now you've got a mistletoe. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.